Now we prove theorem 6.2. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. Now we draw two parallel lines M and N and a transversal line L. Let M and N are two parallel lines and L is a transversal line. टू प्रूव करना है अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल। तो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल हमारा क्या होता है, ये और ये एंड ये और ये। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 we have to prove 3 is equal to 5 and 4 is equal to 6. Proof. Now we start to prove. Here 1 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to angle 3, vertically opposite angle, opposite angles, and M is parallel to N, so it gives 1 is equal to angle 5. This is corresponding angle. Angles equation 1, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, equation 2, 3 is equal to 5. Similarly, we can prove angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Hence proved.